How's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are doing a market recap on October 13th, 2025, 10/13, 2025. For those of you guys that don't know who I am, my name is Ivan. I make six figures a month day trading the NASDAQ. If you want to see my brokerage statements, you can do so by going to my Instagram. I trade on a live account. Not much more left to say. You guys can look at my page, see how I make $20, $30, $40, $50,000 per trade, and you guys can learn from me. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about how the market performed on the 13th, and I'm going to show you guys how my indicator did as well in the trades that we took. Today was Labor Day, and I did say I wasn't going to trade, but I'm still going to show you guys a trade I did take just because I knew that we were going to, I knew we were going to do what we were going to do. Anyways, market opens at 6 o'clock last night. And first of all, I'm going to cue a clip for you guys. And I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I told my Discord server at 2 p.m. yesterday, 4 hours before the market opens. Because every single Sunday with my Discord server, I have a call at 2 o'clock. And in that call, I told them we are going to come up, and we are going to come up into this area, and we are going to reject it, and we are going to sell. Okay? Cue that clip. I go down a little bit, but at the end of the day, you're going to need to see some kind of manipulation before you're going to see price move lower, right? Yes or no? Anyways, now we see that 6 o'clock opened, and we see that price took out New York PM high. After it took out New York PM high, there's usually going to be a pullback, as you guys know my model. After we take out liquidity, there's usually going to be a retest to get more buyers to then push through it, right? Think about it, continuation. So bang, right there, you can take longs if you'd like. And if we play it out, you guys will see longs do play. It's just, you gotta wait. And longs play because we also do have this new week opening gap, which we know is going to get hit today. So whatever, now we have Asia session. Asia session takes out New York lunch. What do you guys think is going to happen here? We just took out a session-based liquidity. There we go. Anyways, we continue higher because London manipulates Asia high. And remember, I was said in the clip, you guys just watched it, I said I was bullish, right? And I said we were going to come up here. And then I said we were going to dump. So London here manipulates, and it takes out all this liquidity, and then it starts to sell off. And I don't know, this sell-off was pretty crazy if you think about it. At London high was around 24,950. All the way down to the new week opening gap, that's going to be 540. Anyways, now we are here, and it's 7 a.m., and market is taking out London low and Asia low. So technically, both of your short targets are hit for the day. Your only target is true day open now if you are above it. At least if you're my student, right? If we are above true day open, then you can take shorts. Right, but in no way are you going to take shorts while we are below true day open, because then it is way too overextended. Anyways, you guys can see we took out Asia low. What do we do after we take out a session-based liquidity? Right, retest of the sellers. Right. It actually went pretty high up though. I think it manipulated. But I'm not too sure. Yeah, it did. Because the market opened here at 9:30. Or 9 o'clock. This was the 9 o'clock candle. And then, it came down. It came back up. This was the top tick. Right here off the indicator. And again, we were able to take it down to true day open. That. Oh, shit. What just happened? Okay, what the hell? Okay, so we were able to take it down to true day open off of 913 with our indicator. And the reason for that is because we were bearish. And I knew that we were going to reject up here, and it was just a matter of waiting. Um, and here's the really cool thing. The trades that I took, right? This is the trade that I took on my live account. Now, the trades that I took on prop firms, for those of you guys that don't know, I haven't traded prop firms since maybe May. I've traded on a live account since May, and I've made over $500,000 on that live account. Now, I have been trading Top Step now. I've been getting Top Step payouts for the last 2-3 weeks because I've been trading them. And I do have Alpha Futures, so I bought Tradeovate accounts, or not Tradeovate accounts, my funded futures accounts. And then my trade was a short that was right here. And I took it because I knew that this was a fib that would just eventually rebalance. Bang, it rebalanced, and that's why I bought all of the accounts. I just clicked buy, 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 and then I went into shorts and instantly hit my take profit right after. And again, I was able to take it because we were above true day open. And you guys can say right here, we do have this low that got taken, right? If you guys watched my previous video, you guys know what a high and what a low is. A high is a green candle followed by a red candle, and you take the highest point, highest wick of either of those candles, and a low is a red candle and then a green candle, right? So a low is a red candle and then a green candle, because if I was to come down here and I was to go into the 15-second time frame, that is now a low. All right, and there's not really any other low there that's prominent like that. So we took out a low, and then instantly we get a pullback to OTE, right? And bang, bang, retest, and sell off. Now again, today is Labor Day, and I was not planning to trade today, so these are the profits in the Discord. You can see not a lot of people were trading today. This guy made back his money that he lost last night. Nick is up 2,200, Danny's up 1,400, Eval Smash 3 o'clock, Gary passed. Last night we had Ty, he made $700 off of open, and we had Johnson also off of open, he caught the pump. So we did have some people make money in the Discord, but tomorrow we are going to be back because the market's going to be even better. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. If you guys want to join my Discord server, the link for the server is in the description. And if you guys want to work with me one-on-one and take your trading to truly the next level, then you guys can fill out the link in the description.